Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you a beautiful round design. In the video we will explain step by step. For more sizes, larger or smaller, in different colors and sizes, you can make it. Start work for this little placemat for table. I am using a medium weight double knit 4-ply wool. 4 double crochet stitches equal 1 inch 4 millimeter crochet hook I am using for this design. Start work. Make a chain 5 or magic circle into the circle, chain 1 and make a single crochet 8, 1 single crochet 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 single crochet 8 into the first single crochet, make 1 slip stitch and close. I have 8 single crochet. Row 2, pattern row 1, 3 chains and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch, 1 2 3 3 chains into the next stitch, make a double crochet, 2 together, 3 chains, repeat 8 times in each double crochet, make a double crochet together 8 times, repeat, 3 chains and double crochet, 2 together in the next stitch. Follow the same work around. In the flower I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times. At the end make a 3 chains and first stitch, make a slip stitch into the next chain space and make 3 chains. We count first double crochet 1 2 and 3 double crochet 3 into the space. Now from here repeat the pattern around 2 chains and into the space make 4 double crochet, 1 double crochet 2 3 and 4, 2 chains and continue the same work around. Okay, in the pattern row 2 I have completed. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 groups, 2 chains and slip stitch, third chain. These 3 chain we count first double crochet. Now skip this first double crochet and make 1 slip stitch in the next stitch. Row 3 start in the second double crochet. Now make a 3 chains. We count first double crochet, row 3 double crochet 1 in each of the next 2 double crochet stitches and make 2 double crochet in the chain 2 space and continue 2 chains. Follow the same pattern. For row 3 follow the same pattern, 2 chains, skip the next double crochet stitch, make 1 double crochet in each next 3 double crochet stitches in the group and make 2 double crochet in the chain space. Follow from here 2 chains, double crochet in each, skip this double crochet 3 stitches, 2 double crochet in the chain space. Okay, in the pattern row 3 I have the same number of groups, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now at the end 5 double crochet in the group and 2 chains, 5 double crochet and 2 chains, make 2 chains at the end, slip stitch in the beginning third chain. We count these 3 chain a double crochet. The next row 4 follow the same work as we have done in row 3. skip the first double crochet, make 1 slip stitch in the next double crochet and start into the next double crochet. Row 4, 3 chains. We count first double crochet in each double crochet stitch, make a double crochet in each stitch. Here I have 1 2 3 4 double crochet and 2 double crochet in the chain space again. And now in this row 1 2 3 4, in this row 4 I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 double crochet. Now 2 chains, follow the same work for the pattern. Row 4, 2 chains and skip this double crochet stitch. In the next 4 double crochet stitches, make 1 double crochet in each stitch. And make 2 double crochet in the chain 2 space, 2 chains and continue the same work for row 4. Now from here repeat the increasing row, follow the pattern 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 rows. The increasing row, 2 chains, skip the first stitch and 1 double crochet in each double crochet stitches, 2 double crochet into the chain space. Follow the increasing row. Okay, I have completed 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rows and the size 8 inches 20 centimeter. Here the pattern, last row 1 2 3 4 5 6. In the 6th row 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 double crochet and 2 chains. I have the pattern. If you want to make a large size, follow the same work as we have done here. The increasing row, repeat around in around. You can make a bigger size round design, follow the same work as we have done the increasing row. Now the last row, 3 chains and 1 double crochet next stitch, 2 chains, skip a stitch, 3 times repeat in the pattern 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 2 double crochet, 2 chains, skip 1 stitch, repeat 3 times, then make 2 chains, skip 2 chains and repeat around the pattern in the last row. Now start work for the edging. Change color. Make edging lace into the chain space, make a slip stitch, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet 2 1 2, 2 chains and make 1 slip stitch, double crochet 2 again, half double crochet and 1 single crochet into the space. Follow the same work. Into the skip this 2 double crochet, into the next space make a single crochet 1, half double crochet 1, double crochet 1 and 2, 2 chains and make 1 slip stitch into the double crochet stitch and make again double crochet 2, 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. Follow the same work around. Okay friends, I have finished a beautiful design in round shape. You can make it in different colors and different size, larger or smaller. Like and share this video for more videos. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.